Mastering Python. Exception handling involves understanding try, except, else, and finally blocks. These constructs ensure robust applications by managing errors gracefully. The try block tests code for errors, except handles exceptions, else executes if no errors occur, and finally runs code regardless of the outcome. This structure enhances program stability and user experience. Exception handling is crucial for program stability, preventing unexpected crashes and ensuring smooth operation. It enhances user experience by offering clear error messages instead of confusing system failures. Additionally, it aids debugging and maintenance by clearly identifying and managing potential failure points, making code more maintainable and robust. Unhandled errors like a zero division error from print 10 divided by 0 halt program execution, leading to crashes. This disrupts user experience, risks data loss, and causes system instability. In production, unhandled exceptions can result in lost transactions, user frustration, and security vulnerabilities due to unpredictable system failures. An exception in Python is an object indicating an error during execution. Common exceptions include zero division error for division by 0, name error for undefined variables, index error for out-of-range list access, and type error for incompatible operations. Python's exception hierarchy allows handling broad or specific errors, enhancing program stability and user experience. In normal flow, code executes sequentially. However, when an exception arises in a try block, Python diverts to the corresponding except block, bypassing remaining try code. Once handled, execution resumes normally, ensuring program stability and continuity. The try block is where you place code that might cause errors. If an error occurs, Python detects it and jumps to the except block. This block handles the error gracefully, preventing crashes and allowing the program to continue running smoothly. This structure is essential for robust and user-friendly applications. The try-except syntax is crucial for handling exceptions. The try block contains code that might fail, while the except block manages errors, preventing crashes. This approach allows programs to continue running, provides user-friendly error messages, and enhances code robustness. For instance, dividing by 0 triggers an exception, but the program continues smoothly.